Today topic 12 April. On April 12, famous people who were born. 812 মোহাম্মদ আত-তাকি এ শিয়া মুসলিম ইমাম। 1748 অ্যান্থনি লুরেন্ট ডি গোসেফ, ফ্রেঞ্চ botanist and author. 1822 Henry Purcell, English music composer. 1823 Alexander Ostrovsky, Russian playwright and translator. 1852 Ferdinand von Lindemann, German mathematician and educator. 1875 অতুল চন্দ্র দত্ত, বাঙালি রাইটার। 1948 উত্তা ফ্রিটাজ মেহরুফ, নোবেল প্রাইজ উইনিং জার্মান ফিজিশিয়ান অ্যান্ড বায়োমিস্টিক। 1885 রাখেল দাস বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়, বাঙালি হিস্ট্রিয়ান আর্চিওলজিস্ট। 1903 জন টিনবার্জেন, নোবেল প্রাইজ উইনিং ডাচ ইকোনমিস্ট। 1908 ভার্জিন চারি, আমেরিকান সাইলেন্ট ফিল্ম অ্যাক্টরস। 1917 হেলেন ফরেস্ট, আমেরিকান সিঙ্গার। 1917 বিনু মানাকারা, ইন্ডিয়ান ক্রিকেটার। 1933 Montserrat Cabell, she was a Spanish actor. 1914 Bashir Ahmed, he was a Bangladeshi singer. 1914 Herbie Hancock, American pianist and composer. On this day 1941 Bobby Moore, English footballer, player and manager. 1942 Jacob Godeliakias Zuma, South African politician and fourth president. 1947 David Letterman, American comedian, actor and talk show host. 1948 Ushika Fischer, German educator and politician. 1954 renowned Indian playwright and director Safdar Hashim. 1956 Andy Gorika Carbon, American actor, singer, director and producer. 1971 Shannon Dotri, American actor, director and producer. 1979 Mutija Keaman, Serbian footballer. And 1979 Jennifer Morrison, American actors. 1979 Clary Dennis, American actors. 1987 Brooklyn Decker, American model and actors. 1988 Richardo Gabriel Alvarez, Argentinian footballer. On April 12, famous people who died. 238 the second Guardian, Roman emperor. 1782 Astoso, Italian poet. 1917 Carlis Messer, French astronomer and educator. 1945 Franklin D. Roosevelt, the United States third president. 1962 Bharat Ratna M. Vishwavaraya, eminent civil engineer, efficient administrator and visionary statesman of India. 1975 Fetan Lohani, Bangladeshi actor, film director, writer and journalist. 1981 Geo Louis, American boxer. 1979 George Weld, Nobel Prize winning American novelist. 2011 Sachin Bhaumik, one of the most famous screenwriter and screenwriter in the Hindi film world. 2011 Mohit Chatterjee is an Indian poet, playwright and screenwriter. 2011 Linda Cook, American actress. 2015 Ibrahim Sulaiman Muhammad Arabish, a Saudi Arabic terrorist. April 11 special events. (12/4) Crossdar, a copy, Constantinople, Istanbul. 1531 a military and religious agreement is reached between German Protestants under the name Ismail Khaldik. 1633 the Trial of Galilee begins. 1801 William Carey is appointed professor of Bengali at Fort William College. 1861 American Civil War. 1865 official begins. 1867 Japanese reformer Motsutu become emperor. 1990 protest began in Calcutta, Lahore, Bombay and Arrested against the Rowlatt Act. 1932 monarchy ends in Spain and republic is established. 1955 doctor developed the polio vaccine. James shock and declared it safe and effective. 1961 the world's first astronaut Yuri Gagarin launched into space. April 12 holidays. Yuri Night is celebrated international every year to make the first minute effect light. Thank you all watching my topic. Please subscribe, like, comment and share with your friend. Thank you. Bye bye.